Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today I have an exciting unboxing for you. It's a handbag from Hermes. I was on a waiting list for this handbag for over the year. It's not a Birkin or Kelly, if that's what you are, after unboxing of Birkin or Kellys. It's not Birkin or Kelly, but nevertheless, it's an extremely desirable handbag. And as I said, I waited for this handbag for over the year. But before we proceed, if you're into handbags, if you're into luxury, please consider subscribing to my channel because I do lots of unboxing, I do lots of review of the handbags, and I believe my reviews are extremely honest because if I don't like something, I sell it, and I will tell you the reason why I sold one or another item, or if something doesn't work out for me, I will tell as is. I'm not gonna say, this handbag is so beautiful and nice if it's really didn't work out for me. Anyway, let's start with unboxing. I'm so excited. So Hermes gorgeous red shopping bag. Based on the shopping bag, it's not something big. Ta-da! So this is the proof of purchase, and I will share the price for you. Just as a reference, I live in Toronto, so I shop at Toronto boutique. So let's start it. I will try to make, as they do at the boutique. Actually, this time I didn't film it, the actual unboxing at the boutique. So it's a dust bag. Obviously it comes with the care booklet. It comes with the raincoat, so hopefully it's gonna give you the clue, and it comes with the pillow. So let me put this all away. And ta-da! So what I have for you today is Mini Lindy or Lindy 20. It's in Clemence leather, black color with a gold hardware. There you go. I'm gonna bring it closer to the camera. I'm gonna pop somewhere on the screen the actual dimensions of this handbag, and that's how it comes from the boutique. It has this kind of like plasticky cover, and obviously it has still protection plastic on the actual lock. So let's just open up this bag together. And about some time ago I did the video sorry, I did the video 5 bag for every occasion, or was it a 6 bags? I mean the handbag for every occasion. And I remember I choose the travel handbag. One of them is just a tote from Longchamp because I thought it's very easy to fold and practical to use at the travel. And the second handbag I choose actually also Hermes Roulis. So that's what I said. It's actually quite useful handbag and perfect for traveling because you can wear it during the daytime and then you can wear it at night. But now when I'm looking at this Lindy, I would say it will be a perfect travel handbag, because if you look at this look, it's actually to open it, you kind of have to twist one way, then remove one sangle, then you have to once again twist the other way and remove another sangle, and then only you can unzip and open the handbag completely. So it's actually quite a bit of hassle to open this handbag. So therefore I would say for traveling it's a perfect handbag, but for every day you don't have to do everything, like so here is the you know, the airbags. That's how they come. Okay, and that's how it looks like inside. Let me see what kind of leather on the inside. I hope they put it on the box. It says Tourillon Clemence Layton. So that's about it. It doesn't say, let me see. No, it just says Tourillon Clemence. Doesn't say what kind of leather inside. I'm assuming it should be a goat leather. And then let me see where's the actual code for the handbag. It took me a while, but I actually finally found the code of this handbag, and it's inside one of those inner pockets. And obviously it's Z. It starts from the Z. It means it's been made in year 2021. So that's finally, I found that code. So it's inside the inner pocket, kind of inside, because I was kind of like looking all over, I couldn't find. So let's look at this handbag in more details. As I said, you have two sangles, two zippers, and I love cute details of the zippers of Hermes. You know, you're gonna have that H right there, those very cute details. Then on the lock itself, I don't know if you will be able to see, but the actual lock also has Hermes details right there. I hope you will be able to see. On the sides, you have two little pockets on each side, and also inside the handbag, there is two little pockets, and the inside it's actually made of very soft leather. You won't be able to see those pockets because obviously it's very dark, so it's impossible to see. And this handbag is actually very small, but I would say it fits a lot. It definitely fits way more than Chanel Mini for sure, because it's small, but it's a bit wider compared to Chanel Mini. So the Lindy, it's fairly new handbag to Hermes. The first time Lindy was introduced to Hermes at the Spring Summer Collection 2017, and then for Winter 2019 they introduced this cute size 20. It's not a quota bag, definitely, but this specific size, even 26, it's not as easy to find, but this specific size, it's very hard to find. As I said, I was on the waiting list for more than a year, because the moment it was happening in 2019, I was kind of like really want to get this handbag. And then in summer of 2020, I was kind of put myself officially on the wait list, and then my essay is gone, and you know, the whole shebang was happening sometime with Hermes. But I'm very happy with my current essay. She very lovely lady, so I wouldn't say anything negative about her. And finally it's happened. I really like it. Obviously it's black. It's the most classiest color of Hermes. Actually, their most classic colors, I believe, if you know better, please correct me, it's black, it's rouge ash, it's gold. Hermes, like kind of like, you know, representative color. Then it's a fur, meaning fire, which is kind of a representation of their orange colors of the boxes. So those, I believe, classic colors. And then there is a colors that comes quite often, and they almost like kind of repeat colors, such as a tan, gris tan, a tube, gray, like blue broom quite often happen from one collection to another collection. So those kind of colors, they are neutral, but I believe they're still not a classic color. They happen quite often, but they're still not a classic color. But to my knowledge, and once again, feel free to correct me, it's a black, it's a gold, it's fur, in another way, like fire, rouge ash. It even has a name, rouge ash, or in English rouge H. It's also, I believe, their classic color, and I think that's about it. Correct me if I'm wrong. So let me bring the scissors, and I'm gonna remove this one, and we'll show you this handbag in full glory. So excited. So excited. So plastic free, and now this handle is so soft comparing to before. There you go, guys. This is the beauty. So let me actually zip everything up, and to show you once again this beauty in the full glory. I actually even like it when the sun goes kind of down, but obviously it's personal preference. Not everybody likes that. Sometimes people like to completely zip up, button up, whatever you like to say. So this is in the full glory. So this is in the full glory. Once again, as I promised, I'm gonna share the price with you. I want to just, you know, disclaimer right there, it's not because I'm trying to brag or anything like that, but you know, especially with the Hermes, it's very hard to find correct prices on the internet. So this handbag is in Clemence leather. You know, depends on the leather, it sometimes could vary, and some leathers are more expensive, some less expensive. So Clemence is the not most expensive one. It's actually on the lower price range for the leather. And this specific Lindy is $7,050, and it's Canadian before taxes. So in Toronto we have 13% taxes, so everything together is $7,966.50, so almost $8,000 with the taxes. But once again, as I said, in Toronto we have 13% taxes. So there you have it, guys. As I said, I'm most likely gonna do a what's in my bag in few, you know, week times, like, you know, give me a chance to use it. But oh my gosh, the handles are so soft. Most likely I'm gonna once again do some kind of modeling shots, etc. So that's it for today, guys, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.